Hi, in this video demo I'm going to show you how to split video easily using Bcut. To split a video with this tool, here's what you need to do. Open the program and select the ratio that you need for your project. After that, upload the video that you wish to edit by clicking the import button, pick import file, choose the video and then open it. Next is to move the video into the timeline to begin with the editing. Now simply move the slider into the part that you need to split. And then hit the split button to proceed with the cutting. From here you can delete the split part or add a new one. If you like, you can insert texts. Filters. Overlays and transitions. Once done, you can render your video by hitting the export button, look for the video format you desire along with the title, and then click export to finalize. And that's how to split video easily using Bcut. Thank you for watching.